Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Code with ER. In this video, we are going to learn something new, something different. So in this video, we are not going to build anything. In this video, we are going to learn how to make your website fully animating using HTML, CSS and some external JavaScript. Okay, so let me show you the example what I am talking about and what we are going to learn in this video. So let me go to the example now. So this is my website. As you can see, when I will scroll up, you can see the content is coming from down to top. See, the content is coming from down to top. See, the content is coming from down to top. Let me go again up and let me go again down. Again the content is coming from down to top. See, as you can see, let me go again up, again go down, again the content will come from bottom to top. So in this video we are going to learn how to make this kind of animating effect for our website. Okay, so see, and let me go to the website on which we are going to apply this animating effect. Okay, so this is fully animating as of now, as you can see, but as of now this is fully static. Let me refresh the page, guys. See, as of now this is fully static, nothing is happening here, no animation is happening here. Okay, no animation is happening here. So in this video we are going to make this website like this website. Okay, see, this website is fully animating when you will scroll down. See, as you can see, let me refresh the page, go down. See, it is fully animating, the content is coming from bottom to top. See, so guys, let me show you the JavaScript I have used on this website. Okay, so this is the floatpanel.js. This is the JavaScript we are going to use in this our website. Okay, so as you can see here, the content is coming from bottom to top. See, as you can see, so we are going to apply this effect on this website. Okay, this is fully static as of now. So I have already downloaded floatpanel.js. Okay, this floatpanel.js, let me show you the floatpanel.js in my folder. So assets and js, and inside js floatpanel.js is there. Okay, so for this we have to use a little amount of css also. So this is the css we have to use. Okay, so let me copy this css and go in the code, go up. I have already included floatpanel.js in the head section here, guys. See, okay, so now we have to use this css. Okay, and we have to use this class on each and every element on which element you want to apply the animating effect. Okay, slide anim, this is the class we have to use on each and every element of the site on which you want to apply this kind of animating effect. See, it is animating, the content is coming from bottom to top. So if you want to apply this animation, you have to use this slide anim class on every element you wanted to apply this kind of animating effect. So let's go to the here now, and let's go to the code and give the classes to each and every element. Okay, but before that I would like to request you guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and please like all my videos so that it will motivate me to make awesome videos on each and every content of web development and web designing, guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and please like all my videos, please guys. Thanks a lot. So let's go here now and start applying the class. Which class, guys? Let me show you again. This is the class slide anim. We have to put on each and every element on which we want to apply the animating effect. So just go here, go down in the HTML section. This is a style sheet. So go down, go down. So from here, cut this, go to the browser. From here, get more time to code. Okay, from here we will apply our animating. Okay, from here. So let's put this class slide anim here. Okay, save your code, go to the browser and refresh your page. Okay, see, this is animating now. See, the content is coming from, see, bottom to top. So paste this class also here. Again I am saying you have to paste this class on each and every element on which element you want to apply the animating effect. Okay, so save your code now, go to the browser and refresh your page. See, as you can see, the content is coming from bottom to top. Okay, so I will apply on each and every card. Okay, like HTML, CSS, JS, jQuery, Bootstrap, Sass, Ajax, JSON, PHP. Okay, MySQL, Angular JS, Vue JS. Okay, I will apply on each and every element here. Okay, so paste it here also, paste it here also. Which class, guys? This class slide anim. Okay, and slide anim has been defined in the CSS here. Okay, this is the CSS class I have already used in this code. Okay, I have already showed you guys. So paste it here also, paste it here also. Paste it here also, and here also. Paste it here also, paste it here also, paste it here also, and paste it here also. We have to paste this class on the container of the element. So this is the container of the element. Okay, this is the container of the element. This is the entire content of the container of the element, guys. Okay, so we have to paste this class on the container element. Okay, on the parent element. Okay, so this is the container element or parent element. This is the container element or parent element. So I have pasted this class here, slide anim. Okay, paste it here also, paste it here also. Okay, save your code and let me show you the output now. So go here, refresh your page, go down. As you can see, it is animating now. Go up, go down again. As you can see, it is animating now. Go up, go down. As you can see, it is animating now. So this is the float panel, guys. Float panel.js. I have used this menucool.com say. Okay, go here and download your float panel.js, paste this CSS in your style sheet and use this class slide anim on each and every element you want to apply this kind of animating effect. Okay, this kind of animating effect. So I have already applied animating effect on some of the elements in this code, in this website now. So let's go to the code now, go down paste here also. Okay, now paste here also, go down, paste here also, paste here also, paste here. Again I am saying guys, you have to use this class to get the sliding animating effect on an event you wanted to apply. Okay, so we have to use slide anim, okay, on each and every content, each and every element you wanted to apply the animating effect. Paste it here also, paste it here also, paste it here also, paste it here also. So save your code now, go to the browser and refresh your page. Go down, see it is animating now. Now it is also animating. Okay, as of now this is not animating. We have to make entire things, entire element on this website to animate. Okay, so go up, go down, as you can see it is animating now. Go up, go down, as you can see this is animating now. Okay, so just go to the code now and apply the same class on the element you wanted to put animating effect. Okay, so put it here also, put it here also, put it here also, go up, go up, put here also. Okay, put here also, put here also, put here. We have to use this slide anim class guys on each and every element you wanted to apply the animating effect. Okay, and for that we have to use floatpanel.js and some CSS classes. Okay guys, and this is it. You are done with your animating. Your site will be animating and it will look cool also. Paste it here also, paste it here also, paste it here also, paste it here also. Okay, so paste it here also, paste it here also. If you like this video now guys, I would like to request you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and please like all my videos so that it will motivate me to make awesome content on each and every topic of web development and web designing guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel guys and paste it here also. I will make awesome videos for you guys on each and every topic of web development and web designing. Paste here also, paste here also, paste here also, paste here also. Okay, so just save your code now, go to the browser and refresh your page. Go up, go up, refresh your page, slide up, slide up, slide up. See, the content is coming from bottom to top. See, go up, see, the content is coming from bottom to top. See, okay, let me check one thing guys. Okay, That's why this video is not animating. This is a video, guys. We have to make this animating also, so we have to put class anim, slide anim here also. Okay, so now go up, refresh your page, go down, see, it is fully animating now, and it look awesome also. See, it is looking awesome also. Go up, go down. See, whenever you will go up, the slide anim will work and it will animate your site. Go down, go up, go up. See, I will make a separate video on how to make a fully functional website using HTML, CSS, JavaScript and jQuery, guys. Okay, so this is the fully functional website I have used using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Go up, go up. As you can see, everything is animating now. Everything is animating now. See, okay, now go and okay, so now this exercises and quizzes, paste it here also. Okay, go down, paste it here also. You have to put this class on the parent element, okay, on the container element. Okay, which class, guys? This class, slide anim, means slide animation. Okay, put it here, put it here, put here also. This is the container element, this is the parent element. Okay, so put it here also and put it here also. Okay, so save your code, guys. Go to the browser and refresh your page. Go up, refresh your page now. Go down, go down. See, see, everything is animating now. Every content is coming from bottom to top. Okay, see, so for this, guys, I have included floatpanel.js from menucool.com, and I have used slide anim class on each and every element on which I wanted to apply animating effect. Okay, and this is the class, guys, CSS class I have used. Okay, let me show you the CSS class I have used or not. So find it. See, I have used here. Okay, this is the CSS class I have used. This entire, okay, and I have pasted slide anim on each and every element, parent element or container element on which I wanted to apply animating effect. Okay, so see, this is the example website. This is the example website. Okay, and this is this tutorial website. So I have applied slide anim animation effect on each and every element on this website. Okay, see, it is coming from bottom to top and it is looking cool also, guys. Okay, see, see, as you can see, I can go up, go down, go down, go down. See, let me go to the mobile view. I will show you its responsiveness now. It is fully responsive, guys. See, for mobile view you can apply dark theme also. See, in mobile view it is also working super fine. See, I have applied dark theme, guys. Okay, so I will make a separate video how to apply dark theme on the website. Okay, go up, See, remove dark theme now. See, apply, remove dark theme. Okay, so this is also responsive for any kind of mobile devices, guys. See, it is animating from bottom to top. See, as of now this is a dark theme, guys. Okay, so remove dark theme from here. You can apply the dark theme from here also. Go up, go up, go up. See, it is fully functional site, guys. I will make a separate video on how to make a dark theme, okay, for your website. So this is it, guys. We have come to the end of this tutorial because we don't have built anything. We just learned how to apply this slide anime effect using some external JS. Okay, so I have already downloaded this from menucool.com and use this slide anime class on every element and use this CSS also. You have to use this CSS. This is a mandatory CS. This is a compulsory CSS classes, guys. You have to use to make your site animating like this. Okay, so you have to apply slide anime class on each and every element on which you wanted to apply this sliding up animating effect, guys. Okay, so remove this dark theme. See, done, guys. So I hope you have learned something from this video, that how to make your site fully animating using CSS and some external JS. This JS, guys. Okay, menucool.com. Go here and download this floatpanel.js, apply this class, and this CSS classes is mandatory, guys. You have to use this CSS classes in your style sheet, then only it will work. So thank you, guys. We have come to end of this tutorial of this video session. So thank you for watching this entire video. If you have learned something from this video, I would like to request you guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER, and please like all my videos so that it will motivate me to make awesome videos on each and every topic of web development and web designing, guys. Thanks a lot, guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel Code with ER. As you know, my all video is dedicated to someone who is very close to my heart. So thank you, guys, for being till last, and see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye, guys.